Hi students, so this is a quick video for all our upcoming IFOA April 2025 planners. So IFOA September 2024 exams are over now. So बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रगल खत्म हो चुका है. So some of the students are very happy after exams. Some are confused related to which exam to plan next. Some are worried whether we would be able to clear exam or not. So these are the emotions every time. So basically this video is for every one of you to watch. So I would recommend every one of you to watch the complete video so that accordingly you can take your decision with respect to your next exam planning. Now September वाली जो cycle होती है till April, that's a very long cycle. So we always recommend everyone not to miss this diet because it's a long cycle, so accordingly you can prepare your exams also well. So if you are unsure with respect to the exam that you have given, say if you are less than 50% sure, you are only 30 to 35% sure that you would be able to clear, so pick that exam plus another small exam, so that even if you are not able to clear that exam, at least you are not wasting your time. You have picked another exam as well, maybe a small exam, and you are giving both the exams. If you are more than 50% sure with respect to the exam given, then instead of wasting your diet waiting for the results to come out in December, I would recommend you to pick another exam or to pick two exams, and based on your result you can then decide whether to give one exam or two exams. See, if you are done with CS1, and since this is a long diet, go ahead with CM1 and CB2 both, or if you are done with CM1, go ahead with CS1 and CB2 both, or if you are done both with CS1 and CM1, go ahead with CB1 and CB2 both, or if you are done with CS1, CM1, CB1, CB2, if you feel you have given all these exams or waiting for the results, instead of wasting your diet, pick CS2 or CM2 depending on your background and depending on which particular exam you want to give first. But don't waste your time and start your preparation straight away. And for all our higher subject students, if you're done with your core principle series and you want to move to higher subjects, so definitely this is a perfect time to start with CP1 preparation. So CP1 is that exam which can be manageable in this given time frame, and you should start your preparation straight away because it's an exhaustive exam which needs a lot of preparation, lot of discussion. So we are also starting with the batches this particular weekend only. So if you are planning CP1, start straight away. There are many students who are confused whether to go for SP or CP1. So since it's a long diet, CP1 definitely it should be there. But if you feel you can manage two exams, maybe you have studied one SP before, or if you have experience in one particular domain, and if you want to pick SP of that particular domain, so maybe you can pick CP1 and that particular SP, and then based on results and based on your preparation, you can decide whether to give both exams or single exam. The reason why I am saying so is that since the level of preparation and the writing skills and the discussion skills which are required for these exams is completely different compared to core principle subjects. If you are preparing for two exams, it actually helps you to clear one exam. So if you feel you have time, go for CP1 or SP. So SP can be based on your domain, based on your experience. So definitely SP1 if you are working in health, or SP2 based on life, or if you have already given life exam, go for SP1 and CP1. If you have given health exam, go for CP1 and SP2. If you are working in general, SP7 and SP8, or if you don't want to pick CP1, then you can manage two SPs also. So the point is that these months should not be wasted waiting for results or waiting to decide for exams. Start your exam preparation, decide your exam, start your exam preparation straight away, and start continuing with your studies, because this is festival time. So at times we have leaves also from office, we have less office commitments and more of family commitments at this time, but it's better to utilize your time effectively. At least you can start watching your videos, and whenever you have time, feel free to attend classes. Whenever you don't have time, skip attending classes, but at least start getting your targets with respect to videos preparation. Okay, so still in case you feel you require any guidance with respect to your exam planning, the entire team is there for all your help. So do connect with us in case any guidance required for upcoming April 2025 preparation. Thank you.